Electronic drum pads are at the forefront of the digital revolution taking place in the world of percussion. Not only are players downsizing their acoustic setups into portable electronic ones, but are also augmenting them with electronic multipass to trigger all kinds of sounds from backing tracks, to melodies and harmonies, and even sound cues for live theater applications. There are many products available to choose from best electronic drum pads, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best electronic drum pads from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Alesis Strike Multipad. Kicking off this guide strong is the Strike Multipad from Alesis. What started out as the new kid on the block has now proven itself to be one of the most popular, flexible, and feature-rich multipads on the market today. Boasting a large 32GB storage for samples, a vibrant 4.3 inches colored screen that's double reinforced to protect it from accidental stick shots, and an intuitive interface, the Strike Multipad is definitely worthy of your attention. This is Alisis's current best attempt to dethrone the reigning multipad king, the Roland SP-DSX. It attempts to do this by jam-packing this device with more features at a similar price point, such as an onboard looper, an extra headphone output, and even a hi-hat controller port. Another notable feature the Strike has is the informative animated LED lights below each pad that can be customized to display different kinds of visual feedback, such as, but not limited to, sample BPM, loop progress, and even different modes before, during, and after you activate the pad. If you want a modern flagship multipad that's filled to the brim with features, the Alesis Strike would fit the bill quite perfectly. Number 2. Roland SP-DSX Sampling Drum Pad. Next up is the golden standard sample pad, the Roland SP-DSX. Launched in 2011, some might call this an oldie, but it's definitely a goodie, and remains the one to beat in today's lineup of multipass. It holds some important advantages over the Alesis Strike, like how sounds ring out even while changing kits, the ability to chain multiple kits together into savable sets, and depending on your use case, a slightly smaller form factor. This is not only popular among percussionists, but also with DJs and multi-instrumentalists, anyone who needs to trigger sounds in real time. This is the de facto industry standard sample pad for professionals who prefer reliability over a feature set. Whether for triggering backing tracks, the occasional 808 samples, or even live scoring a theater play, the Roland SP-DSX is the highest rated device for these applications. Number 3. Roland SPD-1 Percussion. The Roland SPD-1 Percussion is the SPD-1 version that focuses on acoustic percussion sounds. With the excellent sensitivity and threshold options common to the entire SPD-1 line, this pad can be triggered either with sticks, feet, or even hands and fingers. Instead of lugging around a gong and other bulky percussion instruments, you could instead bring this tiny thing in your gig bag. You can also import and assign one user sample, maximum of 5 seconds, of your own. If you want to add single percussion sounds to your setup with minimal footprint, this is the device for you. Number 4. Roland SPD-1 Electro. The Roland SPD-1 Electro is the electronic sounding sibling in the SPD-1 family. It features 22 electro sounds including claps, snares, hi-hats, and more. It's great for creating a minimalist hybrid setup or for mixing and matching from the SPD-1 family to create your own modular multipad setup. Like the other SPD-1s, this comes with the mounting adapter included that fits most tom arms, and cymbal stands, a very welcome addition indeed. If you're a musician that wants to add electronic percussion sounds to their performances, this is a great way to start. Number 5. Roland SPD-1 Kick. Moving on to the kick and bass drum side of things is the Roland SPD-1 Kick. This is a great pad to incorporate as a busker if you want to stomp out a pulse while playing another instrument, and having the option to use batteries to power it plays well in this use case. You have the option of 22 different sounds. What sets this apart from the other pads in the SPD-1 lineup is that it does not only include a plethora of very usable kick sounds, but also some percussion sounds such as tambourine, cymbals, cross stick, and clap, making this possibly the most versatile of the lot, barring the SPD-1 WAV, which was designed to be used entirely with your own samples. I find this to be the most suitable for solo performers looking to add a simple beat to their music. With the addition of sounds such as clap, tambourine, and cross stick, it can also double up as a simple augment to an acoustic drum setup. With its sounds and simple form factor, the SPD-1 Kick has what it takes to redefine the meaning of stompbox. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.